Very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to GK class. In the last video, we had completed 28 Indian states and its capitals. Do you remember? Today, we are going to continue 8 union territories and its capitals. Let's start. Students, India has a total of 8 union territories and 28 states. The 8 union territories in India include Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Pondicherry, Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Lakshadweep. Union territory is a special administrative sector in the Republic of India. Unlike the states of India, which have their own state government, they do not have a government of their own and are controlled by central government. Number 1, Ladakh, bifurcated on October 31st, 2019. The Ladakh is truly a heaven on earth, following a long pending demand to make Ladakh a union territory. It was finally bifurcated on 31st October 2019. The union territory of Ladakh is without legislature. It comprises of 2 districts, Leh and Kargil. The capital of Ladakh is Leh. The population is 2.74 lakhs. Next is Jammu and Kashmir, bifurcated on October 31st, 2019. On 5th August 2019, the government dissolved Article 370 of the Constitution of India, bifurcated the state into 2 union territories and notified that Jammu and Kashmir shall now be one of the new union territories in India with its own legislature. Similar to how Pondicherry and Delhi are administered, in the cases of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, it will be a self-administered government with a legislative government. The capital in Jammu in winter and Srinagar in summer. The population is 1.25 crore. Next is National Capital Territory of Delhi. The capital of Delhi is Delhi. The Delhi or the National Capital Territory of Delhi is a city and a union territory in India which consists of the national capital, New Delhi. Much like the states of India, Delhi is administered by its own legislature, High Court and Council of Ministers. From historical monuments to crowded shopping malls, from Mughal Gardens to Delhi University campus, the capital city has multiple personalities, making it the good, the bad and the ugly. Area is 1483 kilometers square. Population is 1,67,53,235. The next union territory is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu are together a single union territory, effective from 26th January 2020, as per legislation passed by the Government of India. Daman is said to be the capital of the new union territory. The smaller area of Dadra is in the Gujarat, while Nagar Haveli is in between the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat, with the hills of the Western Ghats and surrounding lush greenery. It is an ideal indulgence into the wild side of the tourist, and its Portuguese heritage make it famous amongst the history enthusiasts as well. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu has been established as a new union territory on 26 January 2020. Daman and Diu was established the union territory on May 30, 1987. Dadra and Nagar Haveli were merged with the Republic of India as a union territory on 11th August 1961. The area is 491 kilometers square. Population is 3,42,853. Next union territory is Chandigarh, also the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh, a union territory that is the capital of both Punjab as well as Haryana, is a substantial and ideal definition of the word city. Chandigarh is similar to Delhi in that it is granted the status of a city and a union territory at the same time. Despite being the capital of both the state of Punjab and Haryana, it is governed directly by the central government. Geographically, the state of Punjab lies to its north, south, and west, while the state of Haryana lies to the east. Area is 114 kilometers square. Population is 10,54,686. The capital of Chandigarh is Chandigarh. Next is Andaman and Nicobar, the first union territory of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Island collectively was the first union territory of India after independence. These islands are situated to the southeast of India peninsula mainland at the juncture where the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea merge. Lagoons of crystal clear water and scenic beaches topped with a little bit of history make Andaman and Nicobar one of the most perfect choice for an enjoyable laid-back holiday. From the pristine, untouched beaches of Nail and Havelock Island to the bustling tower of the Port Blair, the Andaman has something to offer to every tourist. The area is 8,249 kilometers square. Population is 3,79,944. Capital is Port Blair. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. The next union territory is Pondicherry or Puducherry. Pondicherry was formed in 1962 out of the former French colonies of Mahi, Pondicherry, Karaikal and Yanam. These colonies are now the districts under Pondicherry. Karaikal and Pondicherry districts are bound by Tamil Nadu, while the remaining districts of Mahi and Yanam are bound by Kerala and Andhra Pradesh respectively. Pondicherry, also known as Puducherry and commonly referred to as just Pondi, is one of the 7 union territories of India. It is often famously referred to as the French Riviera of the East and indeed one of the most charming and mesmerizing places to visit in South India, located in the state of Tamil Nadu. Pondicherry is a little town tucked away the southeast coastline of India and is a destination of promises travelers sanctity and serenity in the real scene of the terms. The area of Pondicherry is 479 kilometers square. Population is 12,44,464. The capital of Pondicherry is Puducherry. The next union territory is Lakshadweep, smallest union territory of India. Literally meaning 100,000 islands, Lakshadweep has few of the most beautiful and exotic islands and beaches of India. The smallest union territory of India, Lakshadweep was formerly a part of Madras and was separated and given the status of union territory. Initially, it was called the Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amini Devi Islands until the name Lakshadweep was officially adopted on the 1st of November of 1973. It is the smallest among all the Union territories of India in terms of area and lies in the Lakshadweep Sea, southwest from the Indian Peninsula mainland. The area of Lakshadweep is 32 kilometers square. Population of Lakshadweep is 64,429. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. This is the end of today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.